let's quickly understand the basic workflow of CIM and how its different working modes are organized. CIM operates with 4 main modes. These are Point Library Mode, Curve Library Mode, Assembly Unit Mode, and Base Mode. Out of these, Point Library and Curve Library are known as library modes. Now let's discuss them in detail. In Point Library Mode, we model members that are placed at specific locations along the alignment. These include piers, abutments, bearings, piles, and streetlights. Since these components are placed at certain points on the bridge, we model them as point libraries. In Curve Library Mode, we focus on modeling elements such as girders, slabs, and roads. These components typically follow a specific path along an alignment, which can be either curved or straight. Now, don't let the name Curve Library mislead you. While it says curve, this mode is not limited to curved geometry. In fact, you can model both curved and straight members in it. The term simply refers to the fact that the modeled elements follow a defined path. So, whenever you're working on elements like girders, roads, or slabs that follow an alignment, whether straight or curved, Curve Library Mode is the ideal mode for your modeling needs. Next, we have Assembly Unit Mode. This is where we assemble all the members we created in the point and curve libraries. Usually, the basic framework of the bridge is created in the Assembly Unit Mode. One of the biggest advantages of this mode is that when you assign an assembly unit to the alignment layout, the program automatically adjusts the position of each member according to the alignment's horizontal and vertical profiles. This ensures accuracy without extra manual work. The fourth mode is Base Mode. This is the mode that is displayed when you open a new project in CIM. Here, we define the alignment, geographic coordinates, terrain topography, and other base settings required for our model. We will be assigning the assembly unit to the alignment in the Base Mode. Apart from these, CIM also has several sub-modes. Let's discuss about them briefly. First, we have the User Section Mode. It's used for defining cross-sections for modeling. Then we have Rebar Draw Mode and Stiffener Mode for reinforcements and stiffener modeling. Next, we have Analysis Mode for defining analysis cases that can be exported into Midas Civil. And finally, Construction Mode handles the bill of quantities and construction sequences. Now, let's briefly look at the typical workflow we follow in CIM. First, we configure basic project settings like units and visual preferences. Then, we model bridge components in the point and curve library modes. After that, we assemble these libraries using Assembly Unit Mode. Finally, we assign the assembly unit to the alignment in the Base Mode, after setting up the layout and geographic coordinates. That's a quick overview of the CIM modeling workflow and its working environments.